In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize credit card payments in QuickBooks. If you're managing your finances with QuickBooks, categorizing your transactions properly is crucial for accurate bookkeeping. Let's dive in and simplify this process for you. To begin, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks account. Once you're on the home page, your next step is to head over to the section labeled Bank Transactions. You'll find this typically on the navigation menu, and it serves as your main hub for managing any and all financial transactions. It's essential to have this area handy as it gives you the best overview of what's happening with your linked bank accounts. Now, within the Bank Transactions section, you should see the option to categorize. This feature is designed to help you easily sort out where each payment should fall in your financial records. When you click on Categorize, QuickBooks will display a list of all your transactions. This list is your playground, where you get everything in order. Each transaction can be assigned to a specific category which directly impacts how you report expenses and manage your budget. Remember to take your time and carefully go through each transaction. Accidental miscategorization can lead to discrepancies in your bookkeeping, causing potential headaches down the road. If you're unsure about any particular payment, QuickBooks usually provides helpful tips and suggestions to guide you. Now, after clicking on Categorize the first few times, you may start encountering an option labeled Match. This feature is particularly useful because it suggests potential matches based on your transaction history. Clicking on Match allows QuickBooks to compare your transactions with those already entered into your books. In many cases, this can save you time and effort, as QuickBooks will automatically match new transactions with existing entries, ensuring consistency. While utilizing these features, always double-check that the amounts and payees match up correctly with your records. Errors, although infrequent, can happen, and it's best to catch them early on to maintain financial accuracy. Finally, remember that categorizing your credit card payments isn't just about keeping your QuickBooks account tidy. It's about gaining clarity into your spending habits, enabling you to make informed financial decisions. Regularly updating and reviewing your categories will support a clearer financial picture for you and your business. And there you have it, categorizing credit card payments in QuickBooks, step by step. With these instructions, you'll navigate QuickBooks with ease and ensure your records are in tip-top shape. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore other functions within QuickBooks that can streamline your financial management even further. Until next time.